Association of Real Estate Consultants, Nashik. Welcome to prosperous land of Nashik property business. Nashik, developed and green city Nashik, located just 2 hours drive from Mumbai. Nashik is ranked first fastest developing city in the state, 4th in the country and 16th in the world. The holy town Nashik is now transformed to mega cosmopolitan. Nashik, with the great advantages of nature's beauty, clean and cool air, pollution-free surroundings and peaceful life. Nashik, just the best place to be. Soil is rich here for all kinds of fruits and agro products, onion and mainly, yes, grapes and wine. We call it combination culture of Draksha and Rudraksha. The city has state-of-the-art educational facilities and is known as an education hub. Nashik is well connected to all major cities with road, rail and of course, air. Today we can see Nashik's development in all sectors: industrial, IT, education, tourism and many more. The infrastructure and facilities in Nashik attract many businessmen and investors along with residents. All corporate world has focused Nashik for their next destination. Nashik is the place where there is a sure appreciation, guaranteed value addition to your investment and a great value addition to your life. The Association of Real Estate Consultants, the ARC, is an organized group of professional real estate brokers and consultants. ARC helps both investors, buyers and land developers. ARC was formed in 2007 to create common platform for consultants in real estate field. This group provides advice, all information, make negotiations, choose the best property to suit your needs, and concisely they make the market. Real people, real property, real satisfaction, real confidence and real trust. Yes, it is the Association of Real Estate Consultants, Nashik. The Social Welfare Association of Real Estate Consultants is the largest association having more than 100 professional members in North Maharashtra. They carry their brokerage business with ethics and within framework of law of the land. For materialization, the land deal needs faith and strong belief. ARC is lucky to have earned it. ARC provides regular training to keep the members updated. ARC Nashik is affiliated to National Association of Realtors India, that is NAR India, which is ultimately affiliated to NAR Global. With this authentication, ARC is doing business all over the world. By means of advanced technology used in real estate marketing, ARC is well equipped to boost the Nashik real estate business overseas. The fresh and green Nashik welcomes all: residents, servicemen, investors, industries, businesses, multinationals and global corporate. Everything is ready for you: infrastructure, manpower, water and electricity, tourism and great environment. Nashik, a ready pitch for you to start your play. And at ARC, we are all ready to get you the best property deal. ARC is glad to present this first helicam aerial view of Gangapur Road and industrial zones in Nashik, specially for today's convention. ARC, the professionally organized group for trust, assurance, satisfaction, and mainly ethics and reliability.